it all. What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton 4S V2 and an Arrma Mojave V1. These vehicles are 4S, as you know already. I'm really not doing a comparison. I want to just do a drive, see how different they both drive, which I know we all know they drive different, but which one do I prefer more? Drive do I like the most? I'm gonna do a review on the Mojave. I already did a review on the Kraton. I just want to get these two rigs a spin just to fully see how different they drive. Let's get into it. Starting off with the Mojave 4S. We're gonna tear this thing up out here. Weather changing now. This thing's upside down. Oh, this thing is a rocket. Yo. Yeah, this thing got good handling. It's made for the dirt. This thing is a rocket. Let's do a full launch. Whoa! Arrma tough, baby. Should have brought me an extra battery. This thing is a beast, but whoa! I'm gonna see, can she handle this jump here? Where's that jump at? I think right about here. Ah, that was corny. Trying to get a nice little jump, but she seems to can't find the right spot. Oh, yeah, I ain't been up here in a while. Did I get all of that? Let's see. Whoa! Yo. And she jumps nice, long as you got it straight. I mean, you don't got too much air control. As long as you come off the right way, she is not bad. Yo, I think I'm not getting it in full frame. Let me step back some. Pulling it off, though. Yeah, I'm glad I solved that problem because I knew this was an awesome RC, and it's just a defective servo. That was awesome. A defective servo can affect a lot of stuff with the performance. But now it's like, this thing is a pure beast. A pure beast. Whoa. You can check out my light bar right here. Yo, this thing is a pure beast. She seemed to be handling it pretty well. I have to assess the damage when I get back in the house. And so far, she looks pretty good. And it goes back there. I lost a part back there with my 8S outcast. It was a nightmare finding that. Hopefully nothing fell off. I got my Kraton out. Yo. What are you doing? Yeah, sometimes hooking them lights up ain't a great idea. I cut some wires loose and didn't even realize it. I think I better tighten up my slipper in there. I knew this was going to cut. I knew it was going to cut for some odd reason. I just had a strong feeling there was a strain on the battery when the wires was touching that cut on it. Let me change this out real quick. Be right back. All right, change that battery out. Hopefully I didn't burn out no cells, which is kind of looking like I did. Every little smoke is scaring me now. I secured the wires a little bit, but not like I wanted to. So Let's go to some jumps real quick for this battery die, because I have two 2S batteries, but I don't want to use those yet. But let's go into the jumps and the bumps. Let's see how she jumps. I don't think I had her up here yet. Yeah, she jumped real nice right there. Hopefully I got it all. Hopefully I got it all. No, I did have this up here before. I remember now. This thing is a beast. Am I getting this all in frame? Let's see. Yeah, I gotta check this slipper when I get in the house. Yo. And another thing with how it bounces and flip like that, it knocks the which you just did. All right, let me put this back real quick. Just like I thought, the impact knocked the battery out, knocked the ESC loose. So I'm gonna have to take it a little bit easy on it. Now I'm scared to jump too hard. Try securing the ESC better than what it is, but it's really not working. People down there now. Yeah, I knocked it loose. The thing is, they both perform pretty good. Both of them having the same issue, but I'll tell you that. That was a nice landing there. There's no more tumbles. Yo. No, don't make me walk back there. All right, there we go. What I should have did is not gassed on that fucking takeoff on the takeoff. It should have been all right. Oh, beast. I'm back from the bash now. I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts about both vehicles. To the Mojave. The Mojave gets a 10 in handling, 10 in durability, 10 in stable. Parts availability gets a 10. Easy to work on. I took this car apart about 3 times already, so it's easy to work on. So it's besides for the servo, the electronics, the ESC is plus, the motor is good. I can't say plus. The ESC is good, the motor is good. Servo was horrible. There's always the stock servos that get you the most problems, so this car gets a 9.5. Kraton here. This thing is, I love this truck. I love both of them. This car gets 10 in handling, 10 in durability, 10 in stable. Parts availability gets a 10. Electronics gets an 8. Like I said, just like with the Mojave, the ESC motor is pretty good. Never really had too many problems with, well, I did have problems with Spektrum systems blowing out on me, but so far these been pretty good, except for the servos in both vehicles. So the Kraton 4S also gets a 9.5. Now, tell me your thoughts below. What do y'all think? Which one you would prefer? This is good off-road and on-road. This is good on and off-road. Both of them are awesome. If I had to choose, it would be a toss-up. I really couldn't tell you which one I would choose out of the two. The other one I want to get the Outcast 4S, so I can have all 4 of their rigs in 4S. And then I can definitely tell you which one. I love the Outcast anyway, in the 8 and the 4S. I mean the 8 and the 6S. So I want to see what it would be like in the 4S. Hopefully soon I'll be able to grab that vehicle. Another thing, Arrma is doing a thing this year. 2023, they brought out about, I don't even know how many cars they brought out this year, but they brought out a lot of cars. They got a new Big Rock 6S. I can't wait to grab one, but I'm very expensive, and I don't know if I want to spend that much money on another 6S. As always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and